Welcome to Brew Fix. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a barista, or a technician, this channel is your ultimate guide for espresso coffee machine repairs, maintenance, and expert tips. I document every repair and share insider knowledge on keeping your machines running like new. From descaling boilers and tubes to external and internal cleaning, replacing OEM parts, and troubleshooting issues that affect taste, I cover it all. Today, we're going to talk about why most espresso shots taste off. Bitter, sour, watery, or flat. If your espresso isn't hitting the mark, it's probably not your beans, it's not your grinder, and it's not even your technique entirely. There's one hidden set of factors that almost every home barista overlooks. And once you understand it, your espresso will improve dramatically. So grab your tools and let's dive in. The first reason espresso shots fail is surprisingly simple. Most people skip the basics. A lot of enthusiasts focus on fancy beans, grinders, or tamping techniques, but they ignore the machine itself. Coffee oils, lime scale, and old coffee residue build up over time inside the group head, boiler, and water lines. Even tiny blockages or worn gaskets can drastically change extraction. For example, if your machine hasn't been descaled in months, mineral buildup slows water flow, causing under-extraction. Or if the portafilter basket isn't perfectly clean, old oils can turn your espresso bitter. I'll show you exactly how to spot these hidden issues and clean them efficiently. Trust me, once you get your machine spotless, you'll start tasting flavors that were hidden for months. Extraction is the heart of espresso. Even if your machine is clean, your shot can taste off if pressure, temperature, or timing are slightly wrong. Most people don't realize that a few seconds can change everything. Here's the secret. Your goal is to balance flow, pressure, and grind size. A shot pulled too quickly will taste sour. Too slow, and it's bitter. Even tamping matters. Too light, and water channels unevenly. Too heavy, and it over-extracts. I'll walk you through a step-by-step example, from setting the grind size, to adjusting your tamp, to timing your 30-second extraction. With this method, your espresso will have the perfect crema, balanced flavor, and that silky texture every barista dreams of. Now, let's get into maintenance. This is where most people lose espresso quality over time. Descaling boilers, cleaning internal tubes, and replacing worn O-rings or gaskets may sound boring, but it's what separates good shots from great shots. Start by flushing your machine with a descaling solution, paying attention to all tubes and boilers. Then, remove and soak your portafilter, baskets, and group heads. I always recommend a quick visual inspection. If you see residue, tiny coffee grounds, or watermarks, it's time to clean. Even changing an OEM part, like a worn steam valve or shower screen, can dramatically improve extraction consistency. Once your machine is spotless, your espresso becomes more predictable, more flavorful, and much easier to dial in. Let's talk about the gear. Many people ignore how much tools and replacement parts influence espresso quality. Using the wrong tamper, a dull grinder, or a cheap replacement part can sabotage your shots, no matter how skilled you are. Here's what you need to focus on: a precision tamper, properly calibrated grinder, and fresh OEM parts that fit your machine exactly. Even tiny misalignments in the group head or a worn-out gasket can cause uneven extraction. I'll show you which parts to inspect first and which tools are worth the investment. This is also the stage where technicians really shine. Small, precise adjustments here can make mediocre shots taste like cafe-quality espresso. Finally, even after cleaning and perfecting technique, your espresso might still taste off. That's where taste troubleshooting comes in. A shot can be bitter due to over-extraction, sour from under-extraction, or flat if your water or beans are off. I'll show you a simple diagnostic. Taste, smell, and observe. Start by checking your water quality, grind size, and freshness of beans. Then, observe the shot. Does the crema hold? Does it drip evenly? Adjust in small increments and taste each change. By isolating each factor, you'll be able to identify the root cause of almost any espresso problem. This approach ensures every shot you pull has consistent flavor and aroma, and makes troubleshooting future issues much faster. And that's it. If you follow these steps, cleaning, precise extraction, using the right tools, and troubleshooting taste, you'll transform every espresso shot you make. Thanks for watching Brew Fix, where we explore espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and the secrets behind the perfect cup of coffee. From descaling boilers and cleaning tubes, to replacing OEM parts and fixing taste problems, we cover it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your biggest espresso challenge. I'll make sure to tackle it in the next video. Remember, even the best baristas started with bad shots. Once you learn these techniques, your espresso will never be the same.